Okay guys, we just hit a couple of shots down range. It's very windy at the moment. You can't see because there's no flags here, but it's coming off that out of bounds fence there. But I just hit a couple of shots so you can see what the plane looks like down line. And it's not pretty awful lie here. Okay, got 4 iron here. I just want you to see it on the plane, guys, that I don't go from here to there. I'm basically already there. Well, I'm not basically there, I'm absolutely there. I hope you can see them because they're perfect golf shots. But the main thing is just to see the plane, guys. That point I make about, you know, getting stuck. You can get stuck if you're going from a high plane here and you underplane. That's where the stuck comes in. But if you're already there, you can't go any further. And it's only that drop which changes the direction of the butt, I think, that creates the problem. If I go in here and I just return, that butt is really consistent. Very consistent. Okay, we'll hit a 3 iron. And this is out of the crabgrass. This is just diabolical, this stuff. Ooh, that's just a bullet. Absolute bullet. You don't get wides, guys. That's the thing I like. You just don't get wides. No wides. Okay, there's not much, but I could hit 100 shots. They're not going to change. So we'll just hit one more. I just wanted to show you the plane from that angle. And I don't know what it's like from here, but this is right out of the rough. See if we can blow this 3 iron down to the back fence there, which is about 220. Just big level turn, JH. Just dragged it a little bit. Not much. Again, I'm standing a bit down, and I've got to stand in this gully here, guys, because you know the sun's there, and it's the only place I can get the sun. So I just dragged, but only a couple of yards. I tried to hit that very hard. I just hit this up the right. Perfect. I don't try and hit a draw, it just happens. I've always hit one. I don't feel any conscious, you know, thing that I do. I mean, I've just always hit one. I'd rather not hit one because it makes you a bit one-dimensional. Although I can hit it other way, there's no trouble to hit it the other way. But I just play with it because it's easy. Okay, last shot. That's as good as the old JH can hit it. Okay guys, that's just a little look at it down the line. To have a look at the plane. We'll do some more bits going forward. There's a lot of things I'm feeling, but I don't know how to explain them yet. But I will. Okay guys, we'll do some more tomorrow.